So today we are going to be making another healthy baby food. Yes. So if you are interested in knowing how I'm going to be making this food, please keep watching. Let me start by introducing all the ingredients to you all. I have some fresh broccoli, have some Irish potato, some tomatoes, onions, and egg. And now I've already sliced the Irish potato, the onions, and also the tomatoes. I removed the seed just as you are seeing in the video. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add some pot. I will put my pot on the fire, add some olive oil, and then I will add my onions, fry it for some seconds. I will add my tomatoes and stir it very well together with the onions for it to cook very well. And then I'll add some water and add my Irish potato. Leave it to cook for like 10 minutes. Okay, so you can decide to slice your tomatoes. It's optional, but I just decided to add my tomato just like so because tomato doesn't take long to cook. So you can choose to slice yours. Now I'm adding my Irish potato. I'll go ahead and cover this pot to cook for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to be introducing another ingredient to you all. So allow the pot to cook. The next thing is to add your pastelline. This is pastelline, it's children pasta, and children from 6 months. You can only give this pasta to your child when your child is 6 months upward. Okay, so in another pot I add some water, add the pastelline, steam it for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to shift the water out and add it into the baby food to cook together with the tomatoes and Irish potato, because you cannot cook the pasta so long. You just have to cook it for 3 minutes and shift the water out. Okay, at this point my baby food I've already cooked for 10 minutes, and I will go ahead and add this broccoli first. I'm going to cook this broccoli for just 5 minutes so that I will not lose the freshness in it. Okay, so when you are cooking your broccoli for your baby, please don't cook it too long, because when you cook it too long, you're going to lose the vitamins and the freshness in the broccoli. Okay, so right now I'm going to add my pastelline, as you can see, because after steaming the pastelline for 3 minutes, you don't have to cook it too long again because it's already soft. Okay, so now I added it and I leave it for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I came back to check on it, and as you can see, my food is perfectly cooked at this point. But before you start blending the food, make sure you check the pastellina if it is already soft or not. And I checked mine, as you can see, it's soft. So now go ahead and add my egg yolk into my baby's food and blend everything together. Please, if you're watching videos to those points and you have not yet liked the video, please, it's time for you to like the video. All right, support me by liking the video. Follow my page if you have not yet followed the page. So another thing we're needing is some fish. Okay, I'm going to add some fish, but first of all I will warm it in another plate, and then I'll add it into my baby's food together with some cheese. I've already introduced this cheese to you all before if you have been following me for long. So add some cheese and the fish together with the baby food just like so, and turn everything for baby to eat. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If you're watching for YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you all so much for being here. See you all in my next one. Bye.